guys, welcome back to VideoProc official channel. In today's video, let's keep learning how to create a background of a neon sign text effect. If you didn't watch our previous tutorial, just click on the upper corner to have a watch. Okay, let's start the video. It's time to add the neon effect to the text. Drag the playhead to the subtitle track. Hit Edit Text. Select Text Border. Changing the color to make it the same as the text color. Then set the size and blur to the maximum. Next, select Text Shadow. In the same way, we change the color to the same color as the text. And set the opacity to maximum. Hit Apply to get back to the main interface. Like what we already did, take a snapshot of the current frame and then add the snapshot image to the program. Click on here to add a new overlay track. Click the mouse and hold, drag it to the top. Put a snapshot image on this new track. Adjust the scale ratio to make it the same as the previous track. Select Screen Blend Mode. If it looks too bright, we can bring down the opacity to make the neon glow look more natural. Now we need to make the shadow of the neon light. Still, first, we need to drag the playhead to the track of the text. Then we uncheck Text Border and Shadow. And as for the text color, we set the solid black. Hit Apply to get back to the main interface. Click on this button. Find a background. Change the background color to white. Then we take a snapshot of the current image. Add that to VideoProc Flagger. Like what we already did, add a new track. And place it under the track of the neon glow effect. After adding the new snapshot image to the new track, scale it. Go to Blend Mode. Select Darken. Then we click on the small lock icon of the below two tracks to lock them. Let's go to the preview window and reposition the shadow effect. Or we go to the inspector panel, find a transform and use the position feature to reposition this clip until it looks like this. Adjust the opacity to better blend the shadow effect in the picture. Last, let's add the neon text flicker effect. It's pretty easy to do. Use the Split All feature to split these clips like this. Then delete all the clips on the overlay track. That can bring us a neon text flicker effect. But give it caution, when the neon sign lights up, the background picture should look different when the neon sign is turned on or turned off. Let's go to the video track. Select the background clip that corresponds to the frames where the neon sign lights up. And then go to the Color and Filter Editor panel. Bring up the exposure and saturation a little bit. Then we come to the vignetting section. Adjust this parameter to darken the edges. This can make the background look like it's lightened up by the neon glow. Last, we add the background music and sound effect. Well, this is all for today's tutorial. If you want to know more editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Flagger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!